with my buddy driving this Kenworth. We're about to make a pass down the track.
Just ran an 0:41 reaction time. See what he dials in the first round of eliminations, which are going to be coming up here about, oh no.
Putting on my seatbelt so we can be safe.
DJ Goodell, 65 Kenworth, Select. Mike Oliveri, Leeway Logging, working truck there. I guarantee you, if you need something lifted, Oliveri's got the rig to do it here today. 40-year-old mechanic with tools, will race. Goodell goes 24:05:02, excuse me, 60.40
Get
miles
ready
an
for
hour.
a ride of your life, people.
65
Because
kW.
it's about to get a little crappy fast.
And look at this, Oliveri gets that fully loaded Peterbilt up above 50 miles an hour in the quarter mile at 27.46 seconds ET. John Boy, Tower Side, Kenworth, and Kenny Jones. Sponsored by Whitaker, long track driver there. Out in front from Wilbur.
God damn it!